Being a Filipino in the USA is never easy. Many of our kababayans work long hours, juggling 2 or even 3 jobs just to make ends meet. Life abroad may look glamorous from the outside, but behind every dollar earned are stories of sacrifice, missing family gatherings, holidays, and the warmth of home. Yet despite the challenges, Filipinos continue to give their best. They send part of their hard-earned money back home, not because they have so much, but because their hearts are full of love for their families. Every balikbayan box, every parcel, every remittance carries not just goods, but the unspoken message: I may be far, but I will never forget you. That is the Filipino spirit. Hardworking, family-centered and generous, no matter where in the world they are. Love travels across oceans, carried through sacrifices and wrapped in care, reminding us that distance can never break family ties.
From Ate Malu Box, ito na yung guys, yung box na inaantay namin from USA na 2 months mahigit din. Pinaghirapan ni Sis Malu.
Alam ba ni Mari? Pilit lang binubuhat. Parang kaya mo yan. Sige nga, biyak. Buhatin mo nga. Kaya mo yan. Tapos tinulungan siya ni Yumi. Hindi rin nila magbuhat. Ang ginawa nila, sinakyan nila. Sinakyan na lang nila. Hindi nila magbuhat. Hindi nila ginawa. Parang akala nilang balik kayang box. Pero hindi naman siguro. Tapos na natuwa lang sila na may box. Na may box. Mukhang naman, hindi naman nabuksan. Kasi yung matigas ang Unlike yung
box. Parang may natapon. Ano ba yung natapon?
Yung
Quaker Oats.
Ay, ito na may akin. Ito ba yung akin o sa'yo? Hindi ko alam yung
Ganda ng bag ko, oh. Ito na nga gagamitin ko ngayon. Dahil pala man.
Peace. Hatiin natin ito na.
Yan. Ay!
Thank you.
Ang daming laman ng ating bags. Ito
siguro akin. Ito nga. Ito yung ganda yung wallet na.
Ito yung bag ko. Wow, ganda.
Ito nga yung may wallet.
Yung sling bag. Ay, kanino ba itong kulay pink ni Marilu? Kay Aisel?
Kay Aisel yan. Kay Aisel.
Kahit kanino na lang. Ako isa lang naman ang kailangan kong maliit na bag. Wow, ang ganda nito, OMK.
Ay, ito yung salaming na sinasabi mo.
Michael Kors.
Pinili namin.
Na ako para maranasan ko rin magpadala.
Ayan.
Oo, kaila dyan. Kaila Pernon.
Padala. Ma-charge kasi.
Ang balikbayan box. Mga balikbayan box yan, ang dami, oh. Kita mo? Pinaghirapan ng mga nasa US. Sana hindi nabawasan sa sa padalahan.
Hindi naman. Hindi siya. Kasi seed yung niya
Yung gilid?
Oo, scotch tape. Unlike yung nauna, may ay pink sa chocolate.
Ayan, ang sarap talaga ng may ang sarap talaga ng may kamag-anak sa US.
Pasko na sa amin.
Ang sarap ng may kamag-anak sa US. Thank you very much sa aming mga kamag-anak sa US. Sayang wala yung sayang wala yung dalawa pa. 4 yan eh. Minsan mag-content tayo. Ayan, may raisins pa.
Ano to?
Conversation with sis.
Lang, mga 6 na piraso. Okay, boss, pag-ipitin ako doon.
This is the life of American husband.
Beef.
He got
Hamburger.
hamburger. I got fish.
This
Yeah,
is holiday food.
Yeah, thank you, Mala, for cooking this, grilling this thing. And there's fly all the way.
Labor Day weekend.
We're eating out today, and this is this is our Lily. She took a shower yesterday with tabo, using the tabo. Typical American eating hamburger and chips.
Indeed.
And beef. Yeah. With flies around. With flies flying around.
Summertime. End of summer.
Kelly, you want something?
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless.